Good afternoon.
Ketanji Brown Jackson would be the first black woman to serve on the U.S. Supreme Court if confirmed. The daughter of school teachers who themselves had attended segregated schools, Jackson was once advised by a high school counselor that Harvard University was out of reach. It wasn't. She graduated with top honors and stayed to study law, the beginning of a brilliant legal career.
I can only hope that my life and career, my love of this country and the Constitution, and my commitment to upholding the rule of law and the sacred principles upon which this great nation was founded will inspire future generations of Americans.
I think having Judge Jackson as Justice Jackson will really open up to so many more people in the United States and around the world to the possibility that there aren't limitations. And that if there are little girls all around the country who say one day I'd like to be on the highest court of the land, they can look at Justice Jackson and know that that is an entirely probable path for them.
Jackson is currently serving on the Federal Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit. She's been there for only a few months, nominated by Biden and confirmed by the U.S. Senate in June in a vote that included yeses from 3 Republicans. The White House is hoping for a repeat performance.
Her opinions are always carefully reasoned, tethered to precedent, and demonstrate respect for how the law impacts everyday people.
Jackson has a record as a liberal jurist. In 2019, as a district court judge, she blocked President Trump's attempts to shield a former White House aide from testifying before Congress, famously writing, "Presidents are not kings." She's also worked as a federal public defender, once assigned to represent an Afghan Guantanamo Bay detainee, among other people accused of crimes but unable to pay for their own defense.
I think that perspective will allow her to have an insight into the human element of cases which none of the other justices will obviously share because none of them have this experience.
President Biden is looking for a swift confirmation in the evenly divided Senate, where a simple majority will be needed and likely delivered. That's despite criticism from some prominent Republicans, like Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell, who claims Jackson is the favored choice of far-left dark money groups. If confirmed, Jackson would replace another liberal justice, Stephen Breyer, when he retires this summer. That would leave the Supreme Court's 6-3 majority unchanged. But at age 51, Jackson has the potential to serve for decades on the High Court, and adding a historic win to Biden's legacy.
Thank you all.
Heidi Jo Castro, Al Jazeera, Washington.